Hello everyone, this is Sukesh Kulkarni and you are watching Cosmic Science. In this video, I'll be discussing about quantum perspective of formation of star. So, starting with the giant gaseous clouds which are present after the explosion of a star, that is hypernova or supernova. So these gases having atoms which fuse together and give uh, form a exothermic reaction and giving out the energy and to form other heavier metals around it. So it forms a core of the fusion reaction forms a core at the center of this star, and on the above layer the heavy metals get start formation, and lighter metals and elements get settled on the uh, upper side of the top side of the surface of the star, and thus the exothermic reaction, that is nuclear fusion at the core, helps the star to be uh, uh, steady and not getting collapsed under the core. So this is fusion reaction is necessary to for the star to be uh, exothermic and producing heat and giving out light. So there are many different colors of stars, as I have discussed in the last video. So these colors depend upon the core of the star, the nuclear fusion, depending upon which metal I have formed, and what is the heat generated and heat produced. On the basis of that, the color of the star is determined. Uh, so So another quantum perspective of this formation of a star is that there are some during nuclear fusion. There is something called exchange of electrons, and this creates an uh, sh- um, exothermic reaction to form uh, 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 nuclear reacting core. So this was about quantum perspective of a star formation, and so it is much more interesting and and much more interesting to study further in depth. So quantum perspective is completely different from relative perspective. Relative perspective is involves gravity that is formed when clouds come together. So behind the gravity, there is a quantum perspective. That is nothing but exothermic reaction between the nuclear atoms and nuclear fusion. So it is an quantum perspective uh, behind the gravitational. Uh, so this was a quantum perspective behind the gravitational force that is being experienced at mass level, and this is all about quantum perspective. And further, I'll be discussing about how um, other phenomena occur, that is supernova. What is uh, the what are all the characteristic of a star to be have a supernova, and what happens after the supernova. And there is another explosion or death of the star known as uh, uh, hypernova, which is much more intense than supernova. So all these things I'll be discussing further ahead. Uh, Please do watch, uh, share this video with the interested person, and like and give your feedback, uh, uh, so that it motivates me to create interesting videos further. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.